And?
Tick. No. What's it? Queen. Appa? No, Mack. I said Mack. Mack. Wow, it's beautiful Mack.
Oh. Do you like it?
Yeah. It's so funny. It says in like some red light means stop. Stop from the road. No, about Mack. This is Mack. This is Mack. Mama clean it. He's going slowly.
He's going slowly?
Yeah.
He's going fast.
Slowly.
Fast.
McQueen.
Wow.
Well done. He's not racing. He's good.
Who's good?
Little Queen. Ready, get set.
Get set, go! Oh my god. Are they racing?
Yeah, it's winning.
Who's going to win?
Little Queen.
Yay!
He's driving. And the car. I know. He's driving. No. Wow. He's moving backwards somehow. Queen just moved backwards. Wow. He's turned around the grass. Don't tell me car.
Oh my god!
Oh. Then the Queen's winner. Is that winner? He's just really bad. I raised it. He's out now. Ouch! First this way, McQueen. Are you ready?
Ready?
Get set. Go! Out. Glass.
Oh.
Then McQueen's glass. is not raised. He's Esther. He's sleeping now.